Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you create PDF file on Android phone in just a few minutes. So let's begin. First take your phone, open the gallery app, and here you can see all of the saved images photos listed there. Simply scroll through the page, find the exact photo if you want to create PDF. For example, I am this photo to create PDF. Simply tap on it to open the full screen. After that, at the top right corner, you can see three dot more button. Simply tap on it. In the pop-up menu, click on print option. After the print page is open, at the very top, make sure to select it save as PDF. After that, you can also adjust the copies, color, double side, anything if you like. Once everything is okay, tap on the download PDF icon. After that, select the exact folder where to save it. For example, I am saved this folder. After you have selected, confirm by tapping the save button bottom right corner, and you have successfully done. If you decide to view the create PDF file your phone, don't worry. Simply go back to your home screen, open My Files or File Manager app. After that, go to the folder if you want to save it. After you open it, and at the very top you can see recently save as PDF. Simply open it and view the result. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like this video. Take care.